talaga. Thank you all.
Congratulations, love.
Yes, I appreciate you all for helping me with this journey and huwag kong tumawa. So I really appreciate you guys helping me with this journey of my vlogging, and like I'm so grateful because now I just got paid. Ay meron na akong pera sa video, guys. So again, thank you so much, guys, for all of your support. And thank you for my mom for helping me manage my account. Shout out to my mom, guys.
Oh, your
Oh.
accountant.
Yes, so
Manager.
that is all for today.